Let us understand what is chi-square. So chi-square refers to a probability distribution which is specifically designed for testing the associations between categorical variables and a fitment or match between two distributions. So chi-square distribution is a probability distribution of the sum of squares of the independent standard normal variables. The chi-square is a non-negative right-skewed distribution which approaches a normal distribution for a very large degrees of freedom, typically 100 to 120. So chi-square is used to compare observed frequencies with expected frequencies and also used to test association between categorical variables. The distribution is asymmetric, so we have to calculate the left and right tail z values separately instead of using any symmetric properties the way we did it in normal distribution. Let us talk about the first application, the goodness of fit. It measures how well an observed distribution matches an expected distribution. The hypothesis is stated as frequency distribution matches an expected distribution, and the alternate hypothesis is it does not match the expected distribution. The test statistic is calculated using the observed and the expected frequencies using the chi-square formula, and it can be done for any number of groups. We similarly apply the chi-square test to test the independence of two categorical variables. To do that, we construct a contingency table, which is also called as the cross table, to know the number of subjects by each category. So we get a table with the count for each category. This test can be done for a single variable or two variable case as well. So we compute the expected frequencies using the formula EIJ, which looks at the ith row total multiplied by jth row total divided by the total sample size. And the hypothesis is stated as two variables are independent for null hypothesis and two variables are not independent for alternate hypothesis. The test statistic is computed for the degrees of freedom given by row minus 1 times the column minus 1. In case of two variable case, we create a two-way table. In case of a single variable case, we just create a single array table with the count of the respective classes or categories, and then we compare it against the expected categories count. These two are the very prominent applications of chi-square. There are more applications also where chi-square can be extended.